Hi everyone, Catherine Grill here. I'm the CEO and one of the founders of Neolth. And today I'm going to show you how part of our community section, our live stream events and pre-recorded events, how that works. So I'm going to share my screen and we'll jump right into it. So I'm going to jump into the community section on the Neolth app, and you can see here I'm in the community hub. The community hub is an overall summary of what's going on in our community section. So you can see a couple things here. One is our upcoming events. You'll see what's scheduled, what the next event is going to be. These are our live stream events. They're typically streamed right through the app. You can see the next one is a Neolth Ask the Experts live stream coming up in September. And we have different events throughout the month. Some, like the Ask the Experts events, are with doctors or therapists. Other ones are with our students directly. So these are really a fun way to interact with our community and be able to watch these conversations live. When the event is live, you'll see a big box here. It says live, and you'll be able to just click into it and watch directly from the app. You can actually vote on the topic of these live streams here in the community poll. It's completely anonymous, but you can see different things that students like you are voting for. Right now, being my authentic self, that's winning. So that might be the next topic for a live stream. You can also suggest a topic anonymously if you don't see something in the poll that you want, either for our students or our experts. Anything that you want to type, just plug it in here, maybe handling back to school stress. It's completely anonymous. Send it in, our team will get it, and then maybe in the future, we'll make those video series just for you. If you want to see past events, so things that maybe you weren't able to watch live, but you really wanted to see that recording, just go into the events tab. You'll see not only things that are upcoming, but you'll be able to see those past events. So you can either scroll through, see all the different recordings, or you can even use the search bar, say there's something particular you're looking for, and find that event. Just click into it, hit play, and you'll be able to watch the entire event. So this is a little bit about how you use Neolth's community section, particularly the live streams and the past recorded events. We hope you enjoy this feature. See you next time.